All right, how's it going, everybody? So today I'm gonna go ahead and install the fog light kit on the Raptor. I know I did the S8 earlier this week or last week, and after using that, I honestly don't think I need more light, but I already had purchased all this together, so it's here. Might as well just get it installed. So I'm gonna be using the Off-Road Alliance fog light bracket. I got this one on sale. They had like a weird sale at one point, and I was like, oh, cool, I'll just get it because I'm gonna get it anyways. And I was sitting on this for a while. Like, I think like the first week I even had the truck, so it's been with me for a while. And then yeah, so the lights I'm gonna be using are the Racer Edition, the Squadron Pros, and then the S2 Pros. The difference between the Squadron Pros and the Racer Edition Squadrons is the LED. It throws light a little bit further out than the regular Squadron Pro, and it's a more focused beam. So, I mean, if you can also do a Squadron Pro spot, but the Racer Edition will throw, like, I think it was saying 40% more light in front of you. So obviously you need that if you're racing. I'm not gonna be racing, but I always like to try out all the Baja lights that they have, like their Squadron IR that I use. That one was pretty dope using night vision. So I saw these and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it a shot, especially because it has these caps here. You could just pop them off on and off. I heard it's not that easy, but we'll figure it out when we get there. And then the harness. Let me go over the harness because a lot of install videos don't really go over like the wiring harness and where everything goes, and at least most of the videos I watch. So the harness looks like this. So you get two sides, one and then the side over there. So obviously you get a pair of lights. So this will be for this one, this middle one will be here, and this one will be here. The colors don't matter right now because I don't know which ones I'm gonna use for what lights, but that's how it goes. So 1, 2, 3, and then the same with this other side. Let me just pick it up so you get a better reference. So 1, 2, 3, and then this wire here is going to go up towards the engine bay into your battery. So again, 1, and then the center wire 2, and then this wire 3. Whoops. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you got your ground. I know it's pretty easy. Most of you guys know what's up, but I get confused, and I know a lot of you guys probably want to see it for yourself before you take on the install like I do. But yeah, the wiring harness is pretty easy. I should be the correct length for the Raptor because it came with the Off-Road Alliance fog light kit. So everything should be pretty easy. All right, so real quick too, I forgot to mention, when you purchase these lights as a pair, you will get obviously the lights, and then you do get a wiring harness and some hardware. So you get the wiring harness to get these installed. That'll get these two lights installed. It has this type of switch, which a lot of you guys have Switch Pros or some type of switch system already. But if you don't, you do have that round circular switch to throw on wherever you can. And then your hardware and installation instructions, which no one really uses, but they're there. And then you get 2 extra adapters or clips or harnesses, however you want to call them. So I won't be using the harnesses because again, we have the wire harness that we got with our Off-Road Alliance fog light bracket. So I guess these will go into storage. Some of you guys have asked me too if I had any wiring harnesses. Well, I do now. If you have an S2 or Squadron Sports or Pros or Racer Edition, these are all pretty much the same harness. So let me know if you guys need one. I have 3 of them now.